Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making chicken stew. This stew, guys, is easy to make, aromatic and flavorful. I have encountered many variations of stews throughout the years and I love them all. But to be honest, this is my go-to chicken stew. So guys, let's get started. In a large Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add onions, saute the onions for 3 minutes until tender. Next, add the chicken drumsticks and cook for 2 minutes. Flip the chicken drumsticks and cook for another 2 minutes. Next, season with ground cumin seeds. We are also adding in ground coriander seeds. Add in turmeric to give it a color, and also it brings warm flavor to the stew. You know, turmeric, guys, it pairs well with ginger and black pepper. We are also adding in red pepper flakes to give it a kick. Add in minced ginger. We are also adding in minced garlic, salt. We are also adding in curry, tomato paste. The tomato paste will help to thicken the chicken stew, guys. Throw in some potatoes and carrots. Pour in chicken broth and stir well. Add black pepper, mix well. Add dry bay leaves, stir well. Then cover with the lid and cook for 25 minutes on medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. It's been 25 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and add green onions. Mix well and your chicken is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I like to serve this chicken stew with white rice, jasmine or basmati are the best. It's also great with crusty bread, pasta or mashed potatoes. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys, and please let us know how it turned out for you. There you have it, guys. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.